between the time of the ghetto liquidation and the Russian liberation,
we stayed in a cellar under a cellar, so-called bunker in Yiddish, in Polish. It's an international bunker. That my father built in a peasant's home under his cellar for several months. And it wasn't ready when we had to flee the ghetto. So for a few months, until that bunker was ready, we had to hide. And Poles hid us for no money. I don't know if I'm saying for no money. Maybe my mother did or paid or gave something to, but I don't remember the transactions. I wasn't told. I remember one specific, I remember more than one specific moment, but one specific moment was, on one hand, extraordinary and tragic at the same time. We would come to a home, a chata. There was a stodoła, a barn, and then the house a little further up. We would come to the house. A woman would come out, the babushka, typical, with a large skirt, fairly heavy scarf. And right on the outset, she knew my mother. She knew who was at the door. And she scared us because she started screaming, "I don't want Jews here. Jews go away, never come back. This is not a place for you. Precz, go away." And then she told my mother, "Go to the stodoła. Go to the barn." And every morning we had milk and bread. Every morning.